This is the short hike to exit Glacier. This is the exit Glacier here outside of Seward, Alaska.
Beyond Seward, where the wild winds roam, lies a frozen giant far from home. Exit Glacier rests beneath mountain walls, where ancient ice still breathes and calls. Trail winds softly through alder and pine, past rivers born from another time. Cold gray waters rush and sing, fed by the glacier's slow awakening. Blue ice rises like crystal stone, centuries all alone. Crevices deep as forgotten dreams glow beneath the northern beams. The air feels different standing there, silent, sacred, sharp and rare. Even the mountains seem to bow before the glacier's ancient brow. You hear no city, no hurried sound, only nature speaking all around. The crack of ice, the ravens cry, clouds drifting through an endless sky. Markers along the rugged land show where the glacier used to stand. Year by year it slips away, retreating slowly with each new day. Yet still it stands in frozen grace, a timeless soul in a changing place, a reminder written in ice and snow of how small we are below. And when the evening shadows fall, the glacier whispers to us all to walk in wonder while we can, and tread with care upon this land.
Alright, if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Until next time, have a good one.